Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a quick demo how to use the GridMate Cockpit. Using GridMate Cockpit, we can improve security by effectively managing access and securing fields and actions, including the user filter and the user grids. We will divide this demo into sections for better structure. First, let's go to Setup. Next, Permission Set. Click on the GridMate Cockpit user. We should have the GridMate Cockpit user permission set. Next, on the Quick Find box, search for Custom Settings. Click Manage on the Data Grid settings. Enable Grid Security should be enabled. Now let's start the GridMate Cockpit demo. In the App Launcher, search for GM Admin Cockpit. Let's start by inspecting the field access. Select the object whose fields we want to manage. Select the user or profile we wish to focus on. Now, we can manage all the fields of the opportunity object. For example, we will select the amount. It appears that it is currently set to read only. Let's try to edit the amount field. Reload the page. Click Inline Edit. It's currently not editable. Let's check the edit access. Reload the page. Click Inline Edit. Perfect, now it's editable. We can also manage the mass update access. Let's first check if we can edit the amount with a mass update. As you can see, the amount field is not visible, so we cannot edit it. Back to the Admin Cockpit. Check Mass Update Access. Reload the page. The amount field is now visible, and we can edit it. Thank you for watching.